actually one of my favorite days of the trip. 2020 has been a tough year and we weren't really sure what we would face on this trip. But we were alone, doing things on our own, and that was the purpose of this trip. One thing though I wouldn't do again when renting one of these vans is that amount of kilometers. We did probably just too many. As a tip, if you ever rent one of these for the first time, just go to one place and, live there for a few days. While on this day we visited one of the most beautiful towns in Spain, Mojácar. We had an awesome time at the beach. I mean, look at this. Look at this place to eat, alone, with those views. Then we were able to drive south again into the heart of Andalucía and hike. Look at these views, the cliffs. It was really windy but super fun. And to finish off the day we were able to enjoy one of those sunsets that you remember for a lifetime. Yeah, that was great. Good morning guys, we're now back on the road with our van, and this night we slept at Cartagena, which is down at Murcia, and we're driving now a couple of hours to Andalucía. I have to say, Andalucía, we've been already vlogging from there in the past, if you remember the videos in Granada and Alhambra and all that, and it's one of our favorite places in Spain and all over the world. I believe it's super great. We are in love with those places and those cities. We're going to some cities we haven't been there, like Almeria for now, and to the beaches and some nice towns out there. And right now we're in the middle of the road, as I'm saying, as you can see back there, the mountains and everything. And we're gonna have some breakfast number 1 of the day, and I have not forgotten to show you the van from the inside, so I'll be doing this shortly. I have to clean it up a little.
My heart's been ripped wide open. So many mixed emotions. It's like I finally noticed I've been set free. I've been set free. I spent a lifetime running, fearing what I'd become if I stop playing goalie on all of my thoughts, yeah. Speaking out straight from my heart, but now I see. Oh, I see this love is taking over, breaking through my chest and overflowing. With every single beat, it pulls me closer, closer to you. I'm never gonna hold back being someone to lean on. I'll always be that two-way phone call when you need one. When everything in life is getting harder to shoulder, I'll be your soldier. My heart's been ripping wide open, 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 wide open. My heart's been ripping wide open, 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 wide open. No words enough to show it. Now my whole world's in motion. I feel like Fred, but in my neighborhood, yeah. Call me and I will make sure to set you free, to set you free. Oh, I see this love is taking over, breaking through my chest and overflowing. With every single beat, it pulls me closer, closer to you. I'm never gonna hold back being someone to lean on. I'll always be that two-way phone call when you need one. When everything in life is getting harder to shoulder, I'll be your soldier. My heart's been ripping wide open, 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 wide open. My heart's been ripping wide open, 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 wide open. Oh, I see this love is taking over, breaking through my chest and overflowing. With every single beat, it pulls me closer, closer to you.
let's go to the beach, eat, let's go get away.
This was some random town we found driving. We didn't really plan to stay, but we were in the mood to do some hiking. The nice thing about hiking in the mountains with no one watching is that... Just kidding. I'm actually doing a voiceover at this part because I was using a shitty Rode mic and all audio clips are distorted and I just can't use them. That's terrible, and the mic wasn't even cheap. I guess I'll have to get a better one. If anyone knows where I can get a good mic, please let me know. This is just terrible. But anyway, truth is also that we had quite some fun doing this. The nice part of not having schedules nor plans because restaurants and bars are closed these days is to just park the van and do whatever you feel. I was about to fly the drone here, but I thought it was too risky. Wind was super strong and I thought I could use some nice real wind audio clips while walking, but yeah, you already know what happened. But now let's just enjoy what I told you was one of my biggest pleasures in life. Listen to the nature sound of the waves, and yes, this time I managed to record it properly.
Oh my god.
Well guys, I really hope that you liked this journey of us, this vlog, this video blog. It was a bit different. Hope that you also liked the drone sunset and all that. Now we're about to have some dinner right here. It looks a little bit chaotic, but there's gonna be some nice food in a way. We're right at the beach. I don't know, let me show you. Can you see something? Yeah. That's the sea, so with our table here, that's the water, and we're gonna cook some with water. Yeah.